What?
What is it?
I thought we started on 93. Or we were on 92.
We started on 92.
So we're on 93 now.
Oh, it just goes into 93.
Whoa. What's up, YouTube? I'm the Rubiconian, and this is my little man, Levi, and we are about to go do our first off-road adventure. So what do we got, Levi?
Well, we've got a Jeep. We've got dirt. And I think that's all we need.
There you have it. It's that simple. So no, we did pack some stuff. We got our toolkit, got some of our recovery supplies up in here, just in case we do have anything happen. Tobin will be over here, and then we're just gonna roll out and hit the highway. So let's go.
On your way in, you're going to stop by this country store where you're going to pick up your passes. Make sure you grab a map also. You're going to need it.
So we come in off the Uwharrie Hunt Club, and first thing we're going to do is prep and set up. So we're going to air down. That way.
That way.
There you go. Press that one. There you go. Press it in hard.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there you go. Got to teach them right? And we've got everybody they came all the way from Georgia. Loud old trailer. Everybody wave. Embarrass her. No, I'm just kidding. So you guys came all the way from Georgia?
No, we live in
South Carolina? Okay.
Near the Georgia border.
We're local. We're only an hour away. Yeah, I know. I just never have free time, so I can't really go do anything.
Enjoy.
I'm going to, finally.
I got to Rubicon today at 25 degrees pitch.
Oh, man.
Yeah, it was a little bit.
That was our new friend, Nika. She's pretty badass.
If I get over that far on this thing, it's going to be scary. That's awesome.
He did.
That's awesome. You ready for this? Tobin's going to hate it. He hates rocking all over the place. 31, keep doing.
Yep.
Down to 25.
I chose 25 PSI just because I thought it was a good starting point.
Yeah, that's fine. Close enough for government work, right? You know, that's how it is.
What's that sign say?
That just says 92 up that way.
No, the other one.
Oh. Uwharrie National Forest Adopt a Trail Program. Okay, well, that looks like fun. You ready for this?
Yep. Let's go.
Here we go. Big obstacle here. So we got the Jeep, and that's level, and that is where we're going. So we'll see how this turns out. Not too bad so far. It's getting better. That's where we came from, and that's where we're at. And Levi's out of wind.
That is one hell of a hike.
Yep. Goes way down there.
What?
Now it's hard to tell with the camera angle here, but this is actually kind of sketchy what we did. We traversed an obstacle, or actually we went around it because we didn't want to get stuck in the mud. We didn't know how deep it was. So we went around the mud, and then we had to traverse back into the obstacle, into the ruts. Well, it was kind of dropped off, and this was slanted downhill, as well as off camber. So it's really hard to tell with this camera angle how steep this is. I didn't get a good shot because where we were, we couldn't actually activate the off-road pages in the Uconnect, so that kind of stunk. But you can kind of see the Jeep wanting to slide a little bit there, and just exactly how steep it was. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to my son. He's 14 years old, and this is the first time he's ever done any videography, so he did a pretty good job. Sorry for the Blair Witch Project kind of look, but he's trying, so we're working on it.
So far, this is a moderate trail that we decided to start on. Trail number 92. I don't even know what the name of it is. But,
Let me look. You
yeah.
got a map right here.
My navigator. Where are we at?
Yes.
I was really hoping to keep it clean. But
There's mud.
we're gonna get dirty.
93 sawmill.
Well,
All these rocks sticking out of the ground like this. I think I see that.
for all of you ASMR fans, that was kind of cool. That is so sweet. It's like a Jackson Pollock Dirty Life. Wow. Well, guys, we have finally done it. We finally did some off-roading. And, well, it handled it like a champ. Like I expected it to. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, it's a Jeep. Isn't it supposed to do this pretty well?
Yeah, yeah. This is what we made it for. So, this was a good... this was a good test here. I'm pretty pleased with how it handled everything. And yeah, so we'll come back here when we got a little bit more time. We kind of spent half the day over there letting Levi wakeboard, but that was totally worth it.
Oh yeah, it was great.
So
I know how to wakeboard now. It's just really cool.
yeah, we'll do some more of that. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Like, just get out here, check out Uwharrie, come out, camp out, picnic, bring your family, enjoy it. Peace. He's good. Yeah. One more. Nice.